all about the wand. The magic has happened. Look how cute it is. She's so bouncy. Hi everyone, it's Natasha from Team Sephora. Today I'm going to show you how to get my straight hair into this curly, thick, fabulous moment. She's giving kind of 70s, so let's get into it. So my hair, it's pretty thick, it's straight, it has a slight bend to it, but I want a magical transformation, totally different with big voluminous bounce, and I'm gonna need a special tool with that using this GHD curling wand and these 3 amazing elixirs. The first one is gonna be a heat protector because we obviously need that for any type of tool that you use, and then a hair oil because it's gonna help maintain that frizz and give it some extra shine, and then a flexible hairspray because I want it to stay intact. My first step is to part my hair, and I'm just gonna put the right side up because I'm gonna work on my left side first. I'm gonna work on small sections, starting from the bottom. Before going in with my heat styling tool, I'm gonna use the Dry Bar Prep Rally, and this is a heat protector, and it also detangles your hair. The curling iron I'm gonna use is from GHD Curve, and it is the Curl Thin Wand. So the key to this is to work in small sections with your curling iron, and we're gonna create those really tight curls to get that big volume. So you're just gonna wrap around the small section, keep it there for like 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna say 3 seconds, and then you let it out. And look at that beautiful curl. And we're just gonna do the same again. And you wanna make sure that you get the ends all the way because we don't want straight ends here. Now that my first section is complete, I'm gonna grab some more hair out of this clip. I got this new section. I'm gonna get my heat protection on it and detangler. Distribute it evenly and then go in again with the tool. And I'm putting the tool under the hair and then I'm wrapping around it that way because it just keeps the volume. These are looking so cute. So now I'm gonna go on to my third section and keep going. What's great about this one, it's a tiny, tiny barrel, but it's also so long so I can get all the way from the root to the end. And for this look, it's super important to get close to the root because that's where you're gonna get the most volume. Look how cute it is. She's so bouncy. Now let me grab another section. I know you're like, what? 4 sections already? Because this is gonna be my 4th, but I'm telling you, the key to get this look is working small. Root to end. Now I'm gonna do the last section on this side, obviously. We're just grabbing some small pieces. Look how fast I can move because this wand is so long, it has no constraints. And then look. She's beautiful. So I know we're close to the end and you may want to grab some bigger pieces, but listen, keep it small, keep it tight. Your work is gonna pay off and you'll see it at the end. Last piece of this side. Don't get too excited because we still have another half to do. Oh. Okay, but we're gonna have to fix these ends. You see that? So you see when you're moving quickly, sometimes you forget these little ends and you can't do that. You can't play yourself because we just did all this hard work. So we're just gonna go in and clean it up. There you go. I'm so happy with how this side came out. Now it's time for some hair magic. Using my very special wand, I think it's time to cast a spell. I don't know. It's all about the wand. The magic has happened. Look at these beautiful curls. I'm gonna go in with the hair oil from Bread. Not too much, but I want just enough. And I just wanna give my curls a light comb out with my fingers. So the hair oil is just gonna give me a nice, soft, glossy look. You can really see the difference of what that does from this side to this side. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit more. My hair is thick. She's thick. Dispersing it. And you want to be gentle, 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 gentle. You still want to maintain that nice bounce. Look at this gorgeous volume. This is va-va-voom. Va-va-volume, curly, curly girl. And for my final step, I'm just gonna hit it with some hairspray using the Color Wow cult favorite hairspray. And I love this because it's flexible, but it's still gonna maintain some hold. What an easy transformation, and again, it's really because of the magic tool and all of the support. So let me know in the comments below if you like this hairstyle. I think it's like a little 70s, little retro. I love it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.